Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel Forever Vegan Inspo, where we want you to eat well, feel well and to be in good health. So thank you for joining us today. Today we're going to be making a Portuguese inspired recipe, salame de chocolat. The ingredients are really simple. It's 250 grams of dark chocolate, 200 grams of biscuits, 100 grams of toasted nuts, be they walnuts or pistachios, 2 tablespoons of plant-based milk, 90 grams of vegan butter or vegan spread. Crush the biscuits to bite-sized pieces. Break your chocolate up into cubes and then add the vegan butter into the bowl with the chocolate. Place your bowl over the bain-marie for the chocolate to start melting. Stir the chocolate and the butter occasionally until it is completely melted. Remove the bowl of chocolate from over the heat and then you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of milk to it. Next, you're going to add your broken pieces of biscuits. Next, you're going to add your toasted and crushed walnuts to the mixture. Stir everything together really well until all the biscuit and walnut pieces are completely covered with chocolate. Place a large piece of cling film on your work surface and then take half of the mixture and place it onto the cling film, and then we're going to roll it up into a cylinder shape, making sure it's really packed tight together. This is how it should look once you've rolled it up and packed it together, and then these are to be placed in the fridge for between 3 to 4 hours until they're solid. Sprinkle your salame de chocolat with icing sugar all over. Now to cut our salame de chocolat. Ooh, doesn't it look good? And it tastes scrumdiddlyumptious. Or, as they would say in Portuguese, delicioso.